Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a review on Antsy's
Labs
fidget cube. Antsy
Labs
is the original creator of the fidget cube. I've had this for a few months. I actually had friends who bought Chinese knockoffs from like Amazon and stuff, and theirs was nowhere near as good quality or satisfying as this one is. There's 6 sides. The clicking, click, click, click. That's all I hear day and night. Click, 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 click. Constantly clicking, constantly. I'm losing my mind. I'm going insane. Just the click, click, clicks. The clicking. Stop the clicking. Calm down. Calm down. I won't click anymore. I'm just going to finish this review, but I won't click anything. Promise, just calm down. Woosah. Woosah. Click, 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 click. Click, click. Okay. And if you have roommates who get annoyed by the clicking of it, there are silent versions of it. There's, on those 5 sides, there's 2 buttons are silent buttons, so you can kind of press them, but it's not as satisfying as pressing the 3 clickable buttons. You have the joystick, which you can just rotate around with 1 hand or 2 hands. You have the rotating spot. It's comforting. This right here, I feel, is the worst side of the fidget cube. It's supposed to be like some stress relief, you know, just rub your thumb on it, but it does absolutely nothing for me. And then this is my favorite side. It's a ball that spins, as well as it's clickable.
You clicked!
I warned you! I warned him about the clicking. I warned him. Whoa. The clicking is so satisfying. So satisfying.